Hi everyone, in the following video I will explain my proposed lesson plan prepared for the class and for the final first year exam. And the main topic in my lesson plan is the use of will and be going to. The main learning objectives proposed in my lesson plan are: first, introduction to the use of will and be going to. Identify the use of will and be going to according to the context and the situations. Also develop the use of will and be going to through discussion and the transmission of future ideas from students. And the main linguistic objectives proposed in this lesson plan are: first, related to their daily life and their future wishes and plans among the work groups created. Second, compare the use of will and be going to identify when it's near future and far future. And build sentences using will and be going to according to the situation and context. And categorize the use of vocabulary corresponding to the use of will and be going to. And in the first activity, students will be able to identify in which situation will and be going to shall be used according to the context of each sentence, choosing the correct use. For this activity, they will be able to do it in pairs to make a broader analysis and with more than one opinion. And in the second activity, for this activity, the students will to do it individually. According to the images posted, they will create sentences that describe future tenses, and they will build sentence where they can identify the use of will and be going to, but creating their own sentences themselves. They will have the accompaniment of the teacher to solve some question about it. Finally, for the final assessment activity, students will work in pairs and will have an estimated time to start a conversation in which they will express their wishes and future actions that they will take in real life, speaking from his daily life and his personal life experience in the future planning. This will be accompanied by the teacher who will evaluate what has been learned in this lesson plan created. That's all. This is my lesson plan prepared. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.